Hi guys, this is Madhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited today because it's going to be a very special day. Guess what? I am meeting none other than Sukhveer Singh, the iconic singer behind the evergreen hit I'm sure you all love this song as much as I do. I have been a huge fan of Sukhveer Singh for years, and today I feel so lucky to get chance not only to meet him but also enjoy coffee with him. Can you believe it? Oh.
Stay with me for the entire day as I take you along on this amazing journey.
Now it's time to choose the outfit of the day.
Let's get started. Let's start this day with a healthy and delicious breakfast. Today I'm preparing my all-time favorite breakfast, oats with almond milk, a perfect way to fuel the day. The night before, I soak oats, chia seeds and flax seeds in almond milk and leave it in the fridge overnight. This softens the oats and makes them creamy while also boosting the nutrition with healthy seeds. In the morning, it's super simple. I just take out the soaked mixture and top it with some fresh fruits. Today I'm adding strawberries, bananas and blueberries, but you can use any fruits you love like mango, apple or even pomegranate. For a touch of sweetness, you can add honey, maple syrup or any sweetener of your choice, or skip it altogether if the fruits are sweet enough. To pair with this, I am having my go-to matcha latte. Making it is so easy. Just whisk some matcha powder with hot water until frothy, then add almond milk for that creamy goodness and it's ready. This combo is not just healthy but also super satisfying. It's packed with fiber, antioxidants and all the energy I need to kickstart the day. While enjoying my healthy breakfast today, I am also spending some time journaling. Journaling during breakfast has become one of my favorite rituals. It's such a peaceful way to reflect my thoughts, set my intentions for the day, and express gratitude for everything I have. I love writing about what I'm grateful for today, my goals and priorities for the day, and any thoughts or dreams I woke up with. It's amazing how putting your thoughts on paper can clear your mind and help you focus on the present moment. It's like a mini meditation for me. So it's not just a breakfast for my body but also for my mind and soul. Now that my breakfast and journaling are done, it's time to get ready for the day. Next on my agenda is refreshing bath to kickstart the day with energy and positivity. I have shared my detailed shower routines plenty of times before, so I'll be keeping it quick and simple in this video. I start by giving my hair a good cleanse with a gentle shampoo followed by a nourishing conditioner. Next, I'll lather up with a hydrating body wash. For smooth and glowing skin, I exfoliate my skin with a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells. Finally, I cleanse my face with my go-to gentle face wash, and that's it. I'm good to go.
So I just finished my shower and now it's time for my skincare routine. So let's dive right in. Starting with my favorite toner.
I'm using my all-time favorite Tony Moly toner. ये मेरी skin prep का सबसे important step है. It hydrates my skin and preps it for the rest of the products. Honestly, toner के बिना मेरी skincare routine incomplete है. उसके बाद आई एम अप्लाइंग द स्नेल मूसन एसेंस. इट्स सच अ गेम चेंजर. ये मेरी स्किन को डीपली हाइड्रेट करता है और एक नेचुरल ग्लो देता है. ट्रस्ट मी, इफ़ यू हैवंट ट्राइड दिस येट, यू आर मिसिंग आउट. Next, I'm going in with vitamin C serum. Vitamin C not only brightens the skin but also helps the uneven skin tone. Plus, it gives that extra radiance जो हम सब चाहते हैं. Now it's time for the under eye serum. क्योंकि आइज के नीचे का एरिया बहुत ही डेलिकेट होता है, which makes this serum an essential step. It hydrates, reduces puffiness and even hides tiredness. आजकल की hectic lifestyle में this step is a must. नाउ फॉर द मॉइस्चराइज़र आई एम यूजिंग बैरियर रिपेयर क्रीम। ये क्रीम मेरी स्किन को डीपली मॉइस्चराइज करती है और मेरे स्किन बैरियर्स को स्ट्रेंथन करती है, स्पेशली जब कभी स्किन थोड़ी ड्राई फील करे। लास्ट बट डेफिनेटली नॉट द लीस्ट, सनस्क्रीन। ये स्टेप तो मैं कभी स्किप नहीं करती। सनस्क्रीन इज सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट टू प्रोटेक्ट योर स्किन फ्रॉम हार्मफुल यूवी रेज एंड एजिंग साइंस को भी डीले करने के लिए। ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, सनस्क्रीन लगाना इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल। And finally, I am finishing off with my favorite lip balm to keep my lips soft and hydrated.
Now it's time to choose the outfit of the day, and I have decided this chic denim cord set. It's stylish yet comfortable and perfect for today. So let me quickly change into it and I'll be right back. So I'm all dressed up and मैंने blow dry भी कर लिया to give that sleek and polished look. और मैं already late हूँ, तो मेकअप शुरू करते हैं। I'm gonna keep it very simple. So let's do this.
फर्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग स्मैशबॉक्स हेलो टिंट। इसका फॉर्मूला बहुत लाइट वेट और नेचुरल है, सो यू डोंट नीड मच, बस इतना सा इज इनफ फॉर द एंटायर फेस। पहले मैं इसे अपने फिंगर्स से ब्लेंड करती हूँ फॉर दैट स्मूथ फिनिश, और फिर एक ब्रश की हेल्प से सीमलेसली ब्लेंड कर लेती हूँ। I absolutely love this tint. It's so easy to blend. You can use your fingers or brush and it blends effortlessly. प्लस इसका फॉर्मूला इतना लाइट वेट है कि फेस पर बिल्कुल हैवी नहीं लगता। इट फील्स लाइक योर स्किन इज ग्लोइंग नेचुरली, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, it gives perfect dewy finish that makes my skin look hydrated and healthy. The next step is concealer. This is my go-to product, especially when I want to brighten my under eye or cover any redness or spots. I apply it under my eyes, around my nose and on my forehead, just the areas that need a little extra coverage. I prefer a natural look, so I don't use too much product. Using a brush or beauty blender, I blend it well to make sure there are no harsh lines. The result, a fresh and even tone base that's ready for the day. So far the base looks fresh and glowy, and that's exactly what I love. A natural radiant finish that's so easy to achieve. Next, I'm using setting powder to lock everything in place. Setting powder is must-have step for me, especially to avoid any greasing under the eyes and to keep my makeup long-lasting. थोड़ा सा पाउडर लेके अपने अंडर आई, टी जोन और जहाँ मेकअप मूव हो सकता है वहाँ लाइटली अप्लाई करती हूँ। मुझे एक मैट फिनिश पसंद है, लेकिन ओवरली ड्राई लुक नीचे होता, सो आई मेक श्योर टू यूज जस्ट अ लाइट लेयर। Now I'm adding some blush because I know आज मैं पूरे दिन सिर्फ blush करने वाली हूँ, and blush instantly adds that pop of color and freshness to your face and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. आज मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Swiss Beauty Liquid Blush in this gorgeous pink shade. Liquid blushes मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है because they give very natural flushed from within look. Next, it's time to shape and define my brows with the e.l.f. Brow Gel. Eyebrows play such an important role in framing the face and मुझे natural yet defined brows पसंद है। e.l.f. Brow Gel का फॉर्मूला बहुत ही लाइट वेट है और इससे ब्रोज को सेट करना और शेप देना बहुत ही ईजी है। Next, I'm using my favorite mascara to add some drama to my lashes. Mascara for me is a must-have step to open up eyes and make them look more awake. Now let's do the lips. I'm using my favorite lip liner from K Beauty and lip liner से lips को shape मिलती है और लिपस्टिक ज़्यादा precise लगती है। मैं अपने natural lip shape को follow करते हुए lip liner अप्लाई करती हूँ। ये step lips को fuller and more defined बनाता है। For the lipstick, I am going for a nude shade today. ये शेड मेरी स्किन टोन पे परफेक्ट मैच करता है और एक नेचुरल येट एलिगेंट लुक देता है। Now it's time for the final touch, highlighter. This step is my favorite step because it's like adding that perfect glow to your look. मैं एक subtle champagne toned highlighter यूज करती हूँ जो मेरी स्किन के साथ बिल्कुल नेचुरल लगता है। मैं ब्लश या फिंगर से ब्लेंड करती हूँ डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ इंटेंस आई वांट द ग्लो। ये स्टेप मेरे मेकअप को एक फ्रेश और रेडिएंट फिनिश देता है जो परफेक्टली कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स द ओवरऑल लुक। ओह वेट, एक चीज तो मैं भूल ही गई। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, टिंटेड लिप बाम। लिप बाम लगाना मैं कभी मिस नहीं करती बिकॉज इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट हाइड्रेशन बट ऑल्सो एडिंग दैट परफेक्ट फिनिश टच टू द लिप्स। आई एम यूजिंग हाइफिन का टिंटेड लिप बाम जो एक नेचुरल टिंट के साथ लिप्स को सॉफ्ट और नरिश बनाता है. एंड विद दैट माई मेकअप इज कम्प्लीट. अब लुक को कम्प्लीट करने के लिए ऐड करते हैं कुछ एक्सेसरीज. एडिंग दीज क्यूट वाइट ईयरिंग्स बिकॉज एक्सेसरी से हर आउटफिट और मेकअप लुक और ज़्यादा इन्हांस हो जाता है. और ये वाइट ईयरिंग्स मेरे लुक को एक सटल येट एलिगेंट टच दे रहे हैं. सिंपल, क्लासी और हर आउटफिट के साथ ईजिली मैच हो जाते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द फाइनल स्टेप, हेयर स्टाइलिंग. I want to give my look a classy and elegant touch, so for today I am going with a simple and sleek ponytail. I feel like ponytail is such a timeless hairstyle that suits almost any outfit and gives the overall vibe a polished finish. I am using hair wax stick for that sleek and tidy finish जो flyaways को perfectly tame करता है और ponytail को एक polished look देता है. Wax stick लगाना बहुत simple है, just swipe it over the hairline और बस smoothness achieved. And that's it. Hair is set, sleek, classy and on point. The look is complete and I'm ready to step out and slay the day. Oh, and before heading to the venue, I made a quick stop to pick up my sister. I didn't want her to miss such an amazing day. Finally, the moment. Meeting him in person is like a dream come true. He's so humble and full of positive energy. Talking to him about his journey, his iconic music, and the inspiration behind his songs is truly inspiring. And of course, I couldn't resist telling him how much his song Oh Ho Oh Ho has been a part of so many beautiful memories in my life. Sharing this moment with someone whose music has touched so many hearts feels beyond special. This is once in a lifetime experience that I will cherish forever. Feeling grateful and fully blessed to be in the presence of such an iconic artist. Here's to creating more unforgettable memories like this. And finally, Ishq Tera Tadpaave with the OG.
एक ट्रेंड ही बन गया था. जैसे जीत इज वन ऑफ द ट्रेंड इज मेरे को दिलजीत से and now Guru's getting films everywhere. Started and they're not financing their own films. It's very risky in the sense. I told me about 200 Punjabi film बनती हैं
Every year.
वो चलती हैं बाकी सारे से डूब जाते हैं.
This day has been one for the books, filled with music, inspiration, and memories that I hold close forever. A huge thanks to Sukhbir Singh for being so kind, humble, and inspiring. It truly was a dream come true. Until next time, here to more unforgettable experience and moments that make life this amazing. Stay tuned for more adventures. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Catch you in the next one.